Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to look at a set of Neilsen clippers, I believe they're called. Never heard of them before, never really looked at them. According to the customer, they just stopped working, so we'll see what we can find. I'm Simon and welcome to Oakside Saddlery. So clippers themselves, little battery powered. She said one of the batteries isn't holding a charger. Cordless clippers, they look like a version of somebody's older style clippers. We'll have a look at them. My expectations on this is not good, because when I opened this case, and the only reason I haven't opened it now is it's got all their address on the side of it, so I can't anything see it. All I can smell is electrical burning, which to me is going to be that there is going to be a serious fault inside there, because all I can smell at the moment is electrical burning. But we'll see what we can find, see what we find out. So I'll get the clippers out, sort out what I need, and we'll have a look. So these are our clippers, 2 battery packs, like most of them. So Neilsen, 14.4 volt, 45 watts. So what I would expect to see on there is a 14.4 volt of some sort, somewhere around there, probably a bit more. I can really smell electrical burning on these, and considering they're turned off, nothing is actually going well. So first thing, I'm going to take that battery out because I don't want this going in the first place. Blades themselves just look like a standard type of blade. This looks like a bit of maybe a Lister or Liverman type model. It's probably an old model of someone's. So blades are off, bearings in there. First thing I can see then, I can't actually turn that motor's seized. So 2 screws at the front there, might just about get to them. Sometimes these things are funny. Let's go for the smaller one. Bleeding Nora, and I bleep that out. That was tight. Okay. I'll definitely bleep that one out. I might have said something. I'll take it. They don't actually look that old. I've had some of these foreign ones before. They're a nice clipper. And when I've taken them apart, they've dropped a screw inside the motor, and it was just inside it completely. So we're not looking at that side because this is turning. It feels really rough. Doesn't feel very smooth at all. This side here, oh, the motor moves on there. So why was it not moving at this end? That was solid. Bearing in there is knackered. That's all that movement. Ah, there's our problem. So I'm not sure if you can see this. See there where that bearing's all completely buggered over? It's all burred and split up. So the chances are, these being a copy, I am not going to be able to buy that part anywhere. It might be something that's similar, not a repairable piece. In fact, if I could get that bearing, that cod, that gear, then that would actually come off. A lot of the time you can't even get these off, they're hydraulically pressed on. But this part here, can we see where all them teeth are all burnt out? It's probably at some point jammed. See it there, look. I can really smell electrical burning as well. No wonder why it all went bang. Let's see whether the motor actually works, shall we? Well, they say to sell that, but not that. Alright, so that's going to be a short video for us, isn't it? If we got problems like this, sometimes when you buy your cheap versions, yeah, you might get a nice clipper. There are some really good ones out there of the cheaper versions. Don't think just because you're getting a good name that it's not built in China. It will be built in China, or the parts will come from China, probably. But if you can get some nice ones, all well and good, but when they're not, you can't do nothing about it. So I should contact the customer, see what they want to do. They might try and say to me, find the part. I wouldn't know how much they spent on these. I might even be able to find something that I can make to fit. but we'll have to look at it because it's got to be right. I can't have it if it's not right. If those mains ones, then tough, you have to have the right parts. Anyway, short video, don't mess it up. If they make a burning noise, do something with them. Make a burning noise? What am I talking about? They smell of burning, then stop what you're doing. There's something obviously wrong. Anyway, if you need your clippers serviced or repaired, contact me on my website or leave a comment below. So my website's www.oaksidesaddlery.co.uk. Hopefully I can do something with it and repair them or service them. Otherwise, have a good day and enjoy yourselves. And goodbye.